This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Prime at Whole Foods. You gain access to exclusive weekly discounts and an additional 10% off hundreds of in-store sale prices. This also includes free 2-hour delivery for grocery orders over $35 in many areas. It truly makes your grocery shopping more affordable and convenient, enhancing your overall experience. To unlock in-store savings, simply open your Amazon app and navigate to the Whole Foods Market section. You will find a personalized QR code that cashiers can scan at checkout, instantly applying all eligible Prime member discounts. Always keep an eye out for those yellow Prime member signs near products. This ensures you never miss out on exclusive deals, making every shopping trip more rewarding and economical. Prime members can easily order groceries online for delivery directly to their home. Select a free 2-hour delivery window for orders exceeding $35, available in most cities. If you prefer, opt for 1-hour grocery pickup at your local Whole Foods store, ensuring your items are ready when you are. This flexibility allows you to shop how and when it works best for your schedule. To truly maximize your savings, consistently check the Amazon app for new weekly deals before you shop. Consider using your Amazon Prime Visa Signature Card, which earns you 5% back on all Whole Foods Market purchases. Furthermore, stack these Prime benefits with any manufacturer coupons you might have, significantly reducing your total. These simple steps help you get the most value from your Prime membership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.